Good day again, everyone. We are here back again to solve another math problem that involves a little bit of roleplay and real life application. So let's think of ourselves as a leader of a construction crew assigned to build a square based container for wet cement mixture. But our client has a concern. The container must be able to hold at least 1,500 cubic feet of cement mixture, and for safety purposes, the length of the base must be at least twice the height of the container. So what are the dimensions that we need to build the container? So let's first visualize the container. We have a cube, length, width, and height. The formula for the volume is length times width times height. And length is also equal to width because they have the same measurement and it's a square. So our formula would be volume equals LL times H, or L squared times H. And it is said that L, our length, should be twice the height. We also have the area of the square, which is length times height. And since we have four sides of the square, or four vertical sides, we have the formula L squared plus 4LH, which is also the formula of our surface area. But we have a constraint, which is dapat yung volume ay 1,500 cubic feet lang, and ang formula para solve to is L squared times H. So now let us solve it. We have 1,500 cubic feet equals L squared times H. We want to isolate H, so let's divide both sides by L squared. Makakancel si L squared sa right side, and magkakaroon ng denominator si 1,500. And now let us substitute the value of H sa ating surface area formula, and after simplifying it, we will have L squared plus 6,000 over L. And to solve for L, we should get the derivative or the prime of surface area. That's why we have the prime of surface area is equal to 2L plus 6,000 over L squared raised to negative 2. To further simplify this formula, let us distribute the negative sign within the parentheses. And now we have 2L minus 6,000 over L squared. Let us equate it to 0 so we can transpose the 6,000 over L squared and to solve for L. Let us multiply both sides by L squared and we will have 2L cubed equals 6,000. The L squared was cancelled because of the multiplication. Now let us divide both sides by 2 to further isolate L. Divide both sides by 2 and we'll be left with L cubed is equal to 3,000. Let us already cube root it to further isolate L, and L is approximately 14.42, 24.9, blah blah blah. And remember that H is equal to 1,500 feet over L. Let us assume that L is 14.42, and that will be the value that we will substitute in the formula of H to solve for H itself. We have H is approximately 7.21, and now that we have both of their values, we have all of their values, all of their dimensions to create the container itself. Now we have their dimensions, 14.42 by 14.42 by 7.21. Width is also 14.42 because remember that L is also equal to width. Thank you again everybody for watching. It has been fun. I am Rafael Lambino. See you again next quarter.